Out.
Hi guys, this is Nisi. For those of you all who don't know me, first of all, I love Jamaica. I'm hoping to come to a little carnival.
She will be coming. She's gonna be coming with me. Yes.
Definitely.
Hoping to come to Jamaica for carnival. I'll see you all there. For those of you all who don't know me, I'm Nisi Boss on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy Kino's content in Trinidad.
Of course, yes, it's Kino life in Trinidad, not Jamaica. You know, and I'm just
popular beaches.
yeah, Store Bay. So this is one of the first ones. As soon as they get to the airport and come around the corner,
Yeah, you can walk from
you can walk from the airport, and this is going to be the first one you're going to see as you start walking. You know, so along the shore or along the line, along the street, like squid that's called along the spine.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them me like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Let's go check out Store Bay Beach here in Tobago. So this is Store Bay Beach. You know, how many of you been here already who's watching would know of Store Bay Beach, you know, so I'm here gonna check it out. Me and Squid, the artist here, you know how it goes. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to Squid music channel yet, go and check it out. Squid artist, the link will be in the description. You know, at least show him some love the same way they've been showing me love. You know, just subscribe to his channel, you know, help him grow, and please encourage him, say yo, do some YouTube content as well too, right?
soon.
It is soon. Yeah man, trust me, it will be good. Keep showcasing Trinidad, you know, on a different hole, so people
I love
can
what you
see.
do in Jamaica, man.
Yeah man, so you can
extension the world because you're international now with this, you know. Go all over.
Yeah man, so else is
Very inspiring, and I'm
Good.
sure the viewers could agree with me.
Definitely,
And I see the faces of people that meet with you, and I love the expression and the natural love that they show you.
Yes. And that's what keeps me going as well too, you know, because they inspire me to continue more, you know. They motivate me to continue with that drive, continue, you know, on your journey, you know, because if they never love what I'm doing, they wouldn't. So guys, so this is Store Bay Beach. So this is what the settings look like in here, as you can see, you know. It's a decent looking place, very nice. So this is one of the beach here in Tobago.
It's pretty early, but now these huts will be open and people will be selling handcrafted jewelry and you know, souvenirs, clothing, you know, things like that.
Yeah.
And there's the bars and the food stores where, you know, you get the most common dish in Tobago is crab and dumpling.
Yes,
So
crab and
definitely
dumpling.
this is the place to get the crab and dumpling and them kind of things.
Alright, bless it. Yeah man, so you know the crab and dumpling is more famous over here in Tobago. And you know in Trinidad them say yo, doubles and the shark and big, you know. So there's no crab and dumpling yet because we're here early. So you know what I had for breakfast? I
We don't catch any crab.
yeah, they don't catching the crab. So you know what I had for breakfast? I had red herring, yes, and bake. You know, it was nice this morning too. You know, so the bake is like Jamaica fried dumpling. You know, big up Irie, man. Irie, big up my general. Much love. So see the guys, so we're very early here in the morning, you know.
You realize?
Yes.
Welcoming and friendly.
Yes, so we can showcase some of these things we are going on. So over here you have the 360 vodka. So there's a lot of place here where you can come and you can have your food, you can have a chill, bar spot and everything. You know, you have the craft part, you have the clothes, you can get clothes, your souvenirs and everything. So most of them, as you can see, it's early, you know, so we're just here checking it out and giving a look on the beach, you know, to see there is beach here. Wow, this beach is pretty, man. Pretty. This is a nice relaxing view, guys, as you can see. Very nice, very relaxing. Well, people, very nice, the beach nice, very nice, nice, very nice, very nice, nice, very nice. I have to swim twice. Nice, very nice. Alright, look at the beach, guys. Pretty. Water blue. Ain't that true?
You ain't gonna see water like this in Trinidad.
No, not in Trinidad. Not in Trinidad. I like the sun as well too. Clean and everything. Wow. Guys, so you know, so I have to take, you know, on this stretch, showing this wonderful beach here in Tobago. Woo! Look at this. Now this is what you see the tourists come to Trinidad for, to Tobago for. This is what they came for, Squid. When they come here to Tobago. This is it. Look on the beach. Yeah, look at it. Look at the beach. Water blue and nice, clear as well. So as you can see, the water is clear. Looking wonderful. Well, wonderful. Beautiful. And you know, you can relax and just look at this. Just relax and look at this. Beautiful. Water is clear and pretty, Squid, nah lie.
And normally, high tide, water is clear.
Yeah. And it's
Nice water.
very nice, man, very nice. Surprising, man. Very nice. And the sun, very clear.
I ain't
and
gonna
nice.
get beaches like this in Trinidad.
So if you want a beach like this, you have to come to Tobago. Big up my general. Every time. Diver?
Yeah, man.
Big swimmer. Big swimmer. Dream team in the building. I know everyone has a Kino go and swim. Kino go and swim. This is nice. Not even lying. I hope over there you have the resort as well too, you know. You can go and book your Airbnb. The resort is there, so there is beautiful beach here in Trinidad. In Tobago. Correction, Tobago. In Tobago. Wow. Walk down to the next end so them see. Very nice. So this is just one off the beach, right?
Yeah, man.
Here.
So this is one of the first beaches you would encounter when you come out the airport. but there are so many beaches. I mean, the Tobago is so small. Everywhere there's a beach. But here is one of the first and most popular beaches.
Yeah, Store Bay. So this is one of the first ones. As soon as they get to the airport and come around the corner,
Yeah, you can walk from
you can walk from the airport. And this is going to be the first one you're going to see as they start walking. You know, so along the shore or along the line, along the street, like Squid that's called along the spine, you know, you're going to see more beach as well too. Very clear. Very clear and very nice. You know, I'm saying it's early here in the morning. So you have some people come for the early swim. Very early. Check it out. Very early. Okay, yeah, but so you have some more beach along the line, but all the way down there you have some more beach. All the way down. Yeah. I guess up there you have some Airbnb. Like it's pure resort. More like the north coast side of Jamaica. That's what Tobago reminds me of. The north coast side of Jamaica. See all the dog relaxing, having a dog time. This is Squid, the dog is having a dog time. Hello, morning. The dog is having a dog time here at the beach. Dog, you see him already? Yeah, relaxing. Hey, mean dog. I bet. Yeah, dog is having them dog time, well relaxed, chilling out. And you have a nice little cave as well too. Wow, this is so nice up here. Plane gonna touch down. Touchdown! This is so nice. It's more feel like relaxing than swimming. You know, sometimes it does feel like to just relax more than swim, you know. It looks so nice, you wanna swim but you wanna relax more. So I think I just want to relax more than to swim, to be honest. Cause look. It looks so much like you want to go and swim, right? So Tobago, lovely beach. The water is nice, blue water here in Tobago, very blue, as you can see, you know, very clean, you know, very clean, very clean here. The beach is clean, everything is clean, as you can see, sun, pretty good. Wow. And you have some little caves like under the rocks. See? More like a relaxing thing, because if I'm here sitting down, relaxing under the cave, looking out, I'll be looking at that. So this is my third eye here in the cave, relaxing in the cave, you know. Words cannot explain sometimes, you know. So in here now, you come and you put your little what you call the beds then, relax, get your towel, spread your towel out here and lie down and just watch all of this from inside the cave. So even if you think the sun is too hot and you come inside this cave, you know, and go and relax, you know, enjoy yourself, like what I'm doing right now, sitting down on the rock. Sitting down on the rock and go and look at that. Give your time for yourself to be looking at this. so clear. Just look on the blue. That is it. Here in the morning. Into the rock. Like I don't want to move, but I got to move. Hey, I got to move. Look at these rocks over here. Hey. That's the sea crabs running. The crabs them running and them running and them running away. Look, the crabs are running. They see me coming and they're running. Come here, come and let me boil you. Come let me boil you with some dumpling. The crabs them running. So many crabs running. That rough we just collide. Yeah. Just Tobago. You wanna swim? You have to come to Tobago. Well nice, well nice. So guys, so Tobago got nice beach for you to swim. Trust me, very nice. If you want to move. Tobago, you are something else when you come onto this beach. The lady's meditating. She's meditating. So the lady is here doing her meditation, as you can see. So when you're meditating, you listen. You have to listen. That's when you're meditating, you listen. Squid, go and relax. It's really nice. I was sitting under the cave as well, to down there.
Nice little cave, man.
That lady is she's doing her meditation right now.
She came. Say, see you taking pictures and videos. What are they for? I remember the woman on the clip.
Oh.
I say, no, I'm a YouTuber. No, he's taping for YouTube.
Yeah.
I say, but I'm just taping around on video. I said, oh, okay, I was just wondering.
So Speedy, we'll make a walk again. Come now, we'll make a walk.
Ready?
Yeah, we'll make a walk. So this is Store Bay Beach. Right, Store Bay Beach. Look, the dog is so relaxed. Look. If the dog can come here and relax, anyone can. Resident and guests only behind this point, so we cannot go up that stairs, that's the resort. Salute! Dog is relaxing. So nice. So too bad we came so early. There's no curry, crab and dumpling, you know. That's Tobago main dish here, you know. Not no doubles, no bake and shark. So that's what they advise me. The keener should try the curry crab and the boiled dumpling. So morning, sir. Morning. What time them start with the curry crab and the dumpling?
Lunchtime, eh?
Oh, lunchtime.
Yeah.
Oh,
Come back lunchtime.
I'm gonna miss that. So you know anywhere else where I can get it?
No.
Just here. Wow.
Lunchtime, they start with them thing there.
Lunchtime.
Yeah.
Wow. So what's the best thing you can have for breakfast here in Tobago?
Bacon shark.
Bacon shark.
Yeah.
Oh, no doubles.
Yeah, that doubles too, man.
Yeah. Bacon.
Yeah, both and the front line for the doubles.
Yeah.
You know, as far as Stumpy is?
Stump, you know where that is, Squid? Stump? Stumpy?
Stumpy, yeah. No, I don't know that.
No.
Up on the main road, after Penny Sabres. After Penny. Where you want to get?
Oh, you must say you can get doubles out them sides.
Yeah, we passed there.
Okay.
But I didn't have doubles up there, boy. Right, I laughed at Scotia, is here.
Oh, okay.
Penny Sabres there. Past here.
Past
Yeah,
there.
that man to the end there. Yeah, close to our grocery. No, you're passing out that there. Yeah. Everybody, the hardware compound, in the hardware compound.
Okay.
So I'm with a kind of black cat. A kind of black cat too.
Oh, okay.
The doubles is the best doubles of there.
Best doubles. Best doubles. So the man maintain the beach. Alright, my general, blessings and big up, yeah? Alright.
Respect, brother.
So I can see people taking them time coming out slowly but surely. Slowly.
And I feel it's going to be packed regardless of the weekend.
Yeah.
Regardless of the weekend.
Yeah. People will be coming out real soon. Oh. You remember me? You remember me?
We're on camera.
You don't remember me?
Eh?
You don't remember me?
You're young.
I was young.
Last
I buy the bread and the tuna.
Alright, right. Respect, man. Full respect. No planks still there?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright,
You're not only on tobacco?
No.
Respect.
He was so drunk.
I was smelling the alcohol in his breath. I saw it.
Last night, right?
Yeah.
He was so drunk he don't even remember. And like, you remember me? Over here, they got a souvenir as well.
Yeah.
I think they got
Oh, you might get your wristband.
yeah, the Tobago wristband. On the beach. Hello, good morning. Good. I am fine. I want to match up with my Jamaican wristband.
Where you want to match up for that?
A Tobago one.
Yeah, Tobago one? Okay,
What type of stones are these?
Those are emerald, both stones, and just regular stones. So they all different types of them. You want to Trinidad, want to match up with that.
I want something that got some meaning. Anything?
That's no way. Wrong bag.
Wrong bag. Something.
Something that I personally made. I make all these.
All the
All these, yeah. And I can give you something that all these I make all these here.
Oh.
Yep.
Talented, man.
Yep.
Okay.
Making these, and you pull the string and you adjust it instead of the elastic like that. You can get the elastic, you know, like
Okay. Well, the string would last longer, right?
longer, way longer than the elastic.
This look like ladies.
You find it like lady-ish?
Yeah, ladies. You don't think so?
Well, you should tell them men to buy it. Well, they're probably buying it for the ladies, must be.
Look lady-ish.
Okay. And then you have to get a manish one, which would be like one in these.
I really like this.
Huh?
How much are this?
Those are 40 TT.
40?
40. Yep.
Stones. What type of stones are these?
Those are emeralds.
Emeralds.
Yeah.
What is emeralds good for?
Huh?
What are emeralds?
Circulation.
Blood circulation?
Yep.
So these are...
Circulation stones. They're like a massaging therapeutic stone.
Okay. So if you're wearing them, any good for you?
Yeah. It's good. You can put it on the ankle and all and sleep.
Okay. And sleep.
Sleep there.
And these are the real stones.
Real stones.
Emeralds. See, I like this type of essential stuff. And this one is elastic, right?
Yeah, elastic. Yeah.
From the sea? From the sea you get these stones?
Most of them, yeah.
Okay.
I have shells and all that comes out of the sea in this bag. These shells come out of the sea right there when the insect come out of it, and they bring it up, treat it, carve it.
Very nice.
Yeah, all the fun patterns you have on it. And these come right out of the sea right there when they wash up, yeah. When the insect leave them and they wash up.
How much is the emeralds?
Same 40.
Same 40. I'll give you a support on the emeralds.
Yeah. Sometimes your wrist might be hurting and you can just leave it there. Sometimes your little ankle hurts you can put it on the ankle and like I tell you, you can sleep with it and just wake up on your wrist.
Sure?
Yeah.
Wow. What do you think about this, guys?
I actually have one. I just sleep with it on my ankle because I used to play netball and I have a ankle injury from that. Yeah.
And this helps.
So I just sleep with it. Yeah, but the stones are actually bigger.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take it. Definitely, because my mind stick to it, so that means it's meaningful to me, right? You have change for this?
I hope so.
I hope so.
No, give me the 50. You have a 50? Right, I'll deal with the 50, man.
Okay.
Thank you. You can hold on to that.
Hey. The first sale have to be the best sale, right?
Exactly. No discount on 50.
So that means
Come back a little later. You get discount on the next week.
a little later I'll be gone out your country. A little later I'm gone out your country.
You know what is this?
Plum.
No, it's called a dong.
So we call them plum in Jamaica.
This?
Yeah, same thing. I got this tree in my yard. We call them plum. Yeah. Kingston.
Okay.
I was born and grew in Trenchtown, where Bob Marley is from.
My mommy is from Clarendon.
From Clarendon. Okay. Wow. So I like your hustle. I like you got talent, you know. So I have to pay for your talent because it's well deserved. You know. Very lovely. Can you see my stone here? You know this?
No, what's that?
That's clear quartz.
Okay.
You can Google it and tell you what's the meaning of it.
I will.
Clear quartz.
I will.
Yeah. Very nice. So Squid, these are plums in Jamaica.
Yeah, we call them dongs.
Stones. Oh, they call them to guys. Look, these are plums. I got this tree in my yard. So here in Tobago and Trinidad and Tobago, they call them downs. We call them plum. You know, CJ. We call them plum. I got this tree in my yard as well too when I was growing up. You know.
I used to love that. Still do occasionally.
Yeah. Even the red one, we call them nosy. The red ones?
Snotty nose.
Yeah, we call them nosy.
We call them snotty nose.
You call them snotty nose. Say so much.
Zoom in on this side.
Oh, the popular southwest, the dive sites. Say so much similarity we have. We're the same Caribbean. So these are the popularity. So these are the popular southwest dive sites. Here, dive sites. You can smell them on the ground. This is how my yard used to be. As I sweep my yard, you know, you get up in the morning and you sweep it.
Like to reach down.
Yeah, you get up in the morning and start to clean your yard up.
Yeah,
Then
man.
after 10 minutes, you look
Like this
again. You know, and then when time you're done it again, then 2 minutes, people come in your yard, shaking the tree.
Yeah.
And when you look, it's more of this again. You know, so much more. Wow. So everyone taking them time to come out now. These are the hello morning. Morning. So over here we have the what's that, pine?
Yeah, pineapple sugar cake.
Oh, pineapple sugar cake. Wow. So you use the pine itself?
Yeah. Coconut, grated coconut, and you put pineapple inside of it.
Wow. And you got sugar as well, so pineapple, sugar and coconut.
Yeah.
This is the first time I'm seeing this one.
There's only one that come out.
Okay. And this one is the same?
So this is just the color cake.
Oh, the color.
This is the original sugar cake. This is the yellow one thing.
Okay.
The only thing different is you put the pineapple in this.
Okay. So I can see it looks like pineapple. It's probably too sweet for me. Right? It's sweet, right?
Yeah.
This is for the kids.
Yeah, kids.
The kids will be loving this. And this is what's this?
That one is plum.
Plum. Is that the same plum there? Off the tree? Them plum.
This is the Creed plum.
The Creed plum.
The is Creed plum. The tree don't have no spike or anything on it.
Oh,
This is a different tree. This called down.
Oh yeah. In Jamaica, we call it plum. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, plum. And this looks like beetroot, but it's not, right?
No, it's mango.
Mango.
Yeah.
So you cut the mango up.
They cut it up and then they come like they make a kind of sauce like jam, something like jam.
Okay.
They boil the mango over and over until all the sour taste come out.
Okay.
And then they put it in the kind of jam to preserve it.
Yeah. So I guess they use the green mangoes to do this?
Yeah.
Okay. And you have the curry mango as well, right? You do curry ones?
Well, normally they don't do like curry ones in bag, but they just mostly do it for whenever they make anything like roti and thing like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they just do it for that.
Okay, wow. Thank you so much, man. Enjoy, man. Thank you so much for everything. Yeah. Yes, yes, guys. It was wonderful visiting here. What time we have there, Squid? Still have time? A lot. 9:36. It's one thing when you're doing YouTube and making videos, time flies so quick, you know. And it says 10:30 we have to be back there, right?
Yeah.
You said our driver can walk out on the front, right?
Huh?
We can walk out and come back?
Yeah.
You
In the
said,
front line, eh?
yeah.
What?
And walk go down, or you rather drive?
Nah, best you drive. If it's really anything much there, we still have to go and put back some gas, huh?
Okay. Yes, yes. So guys, so we have to go and put back some gas in the rental, because you know when you're giving it back, you have to give it where it was. And you said what, half tank, right?
2 bars above that.
2 bars above it.
We only probably use about the bars, so we ain't really going on.
Oh yeah, we're not going over here. That's here and there and store. Oh, what a morning. You can see the hustlers them coming out. Come hustle for them bread. The hustlers them are out, guys. So yes, guys, so blessed love. I hope you're having a wonderful day or morning or evening or night, anywhere you are. I'm sending out much love here from Tobago. You know, it's early in the morning stroll on the beach. I had breakfast, which I had heroin and bake with vegetables. Yeah, so sorry I never get to show you my breakfast. So I guess them say it's too early. Yeah. Cut her face. She was proper looking when she recognized, oh, it's squid. So squid is the Trinidad and Tobago vibes cartel here, guys. You know, the ladies them. That's who squid is. So we have Cocoa Reef. That's a resort, right?
Yeah.
You know, so look nice. You know, could walk in there. Could I walk in there, no? Yeah. Not part, but could I walk in there? They look nice. Havana, bake and shark. Well, I had so much bake and shark right now. The shark them eat with so much, so it's my time to eat them back. Yeah, the shark them eat with so much, you know, so it's my time to eat them back. So I only had like 2 bacon shark, I think, yeah, 2. So I don't think I could have got the 3rd one. But I had more doubles than anything else. Got the doubles them are lovely here in Tobago. Very lovely. Come put on my belt. So I know the people in the comment section say, Kino, put on your seat belt. You can't hear the beeping. You know? Better safe than sorry.
Yep.
Grandma always tell me that. And mommy. Better safe than sorry. So this is us right now in the morning here. Rolling through. It's not too much of a sunny day because it was raining this morning. Yeah. Overcast. Overcast. So guys, I was gonna say, because limited time, you know, couldn't get to explore as much or want to explore here in Tobago and also in Trinidad. So it's definitely still on my bucket list to complete, or I want to complete it. So it's still not, it's haven't complete as yet. So you know, so I will be definitely coming back, you know, soon, you know, spend more time. We can really showcase this country, because I really like it here, you know. I really like it. You know, Trinidad is like a mini New York, and Tobago is like a mini Jamaica. You know, on the north coast side of Jamaica. So here at the gas station. So here,
all of these houses in here.
yeah.
Mostly 98% of these are Airbnb.
Airbnb, right?
Yes.
98%.
98%. So for any festivity, you realize you're seeing signs on it.
Yes, a villa,
Most of them, yeah.
Airbnb.
So people, they would rent out their houses. They would go live somewhere else if they have to. Rent out their houses.
Rent it out.
Yeah, man. Always upgraded.
Yeah, Airbnb.
98, if not 100%.
Oh.
Airbnb.
As you
You
can
always
see.
find a spot, you know. You see some people just leaving,
Yeah.
packing their suitcases and stuff.
Check it out.
So when you stay in areas like these, you know, in the morning, you see people come and clean out the rooms and the house for you and whatever. That's a big business.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
they have agents assigned to,
To get the cleaners there.
yeah, and most of the houses are under companies.
Yeah, yeah.
So they are,
So you can literally find the Airbnb and the apps them, you know?
yeah, easy.
And most of them come with some cleaning fee as well too. So if the room is like 70, then it probably come to 100 because of the cleaning fee. It would probably be $30. You know, because that's what happened to most of them when time we were traveling around in Jamaica to Airbnb from then, you know. So really good for business. At least now you can employ someone to come and work if they got nothing doing, to come clean, you know. And most of them do a really pretty good job, you know, when they cleaners them, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
Trust me, the way they keep the place, you know, and the way them decorate it as well too after.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright.
Alright.
This is it. So what's the name of this area right here?
Actually not sure.
Not sure. Here in Tobago. Tobago is like the north coast of Jamaica, mainly for the tourists. There are villas around here as well. This is all villas. Yeah. Each and every one got a mini pool. So this is all land space here. They can manage what's going to build up right here. Villa. You got some tourists, you know, touring the area. Hello.
Safe to walk.
Yes.
Safe to
And that's one thing with Tobago, it's more safe than Trinidad, that right?
Definitely. Definitely so. Definitely.
Land space. So you can imagine how much this land going for. Hey, Sandy Park. So it's the Sandy Park, right? Sandy Park. Let's look on the road. This just reminds me so much of Jamaica. You know? Same type of road. Up to standard. Oh, look at the renovating and thing. Nice. Definitely real nice. Real nice. I said the place real nice. I have to come here twice. So I'm just soon. I will be coming back to Trinidad and passing back into Tobago to check out the countryside. Exploration. These are all the villas. Douglas apartment. So you have Douglas apartment over there. Welcome to Crown Point.
Remember this Spence?
Yeah, welcome to Crown.
Spence, there's driving the car rental.
Spence. So basically down here is called Crown Point, right? I said welcome to Crown Point.
You didn't get to go to Pigeon Beach, which is a long, nice beach.
Well,
was a lot of parties, all the major big beach parties.
is it far drive down?
It's a good drive.
Okay.
Not far, but it's
Beach. Come down to Tobago or go to Jamaica for the beach.
I don't think we should do it.
Okay.
You don't want them chasing us up. It's really up stay there. So they might not be
I guess. Yes.
When we was on the beach just now,
Yeah.
just walk down the street and we enter right there, right by the plum tree.
Okay. Real nice. So the police station is right next to the airport as well, the Crown Point police station. And we have Tobago. But yes guys, so it was really a joy, it was a pleasure being here in Tobago. I'm so sorry the stay is so short here in Tobago, but definitely in the future I'll be coming back to explore more here in Tobago and also in Trinidad. As what I was saying, it was in the plan, you know, it was for the carnival, and then I tried to extend my ticket for a couple more days, but even not extend it for a couple more days, like I want to extend it for a couple more years, you know. So that's all I really want to get back here, you know. So yeah, so that's all I really want to get back here. Definitely we'll come back to Tobago definitely one day, you know. So it's been a pleasure, you know, being here. It's really been a pleasure being here in Tobago, you know. I'm in the airport area of Tobago, you know. As you can see, we're here at the international airport, you know, waiting to get a flight to go back to Trinidad, you know. We're trust me, it is an experience. You know, it is something that if you don't have Trinidad and Tobago on your bucket list, you need to put it on it. And remember, don't let make fear stop you from visiting Trinidad and Tobago to get this wonderful experience. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. You know, you won't be. Trust me, you'll be loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Like it will be the bomb. Right, so sorry, got to say, so let me just give a walk a little bit, you know, because quick go and park the car. So while I'm going to park the car, I'm just going to walk a bit, you know, just outside of the airport, you know, even though time is against us, but we need to check in within the next 20 minutes. So I walk here for 5 minutes, you know, it's well, beautiful. So you know, say if you don't feel like eating piece of chicken, I want to roast this roaster here now. We have to throw about a dozen nails in the pot. You know? Throw some nail in the pot. This roaster here to cook down well, simmer down for you know. But yeah, as you can see, the sky is not clear, you know. It was raining this morning. Still got overcast. The place is still overcast here. I don't know which way is the sun. I think the sun is that way under the cloud. Yeah, so the sun is under the cloud over there. So that's Jetway Holiday Resort, and there's a resort over here as well too. You know, there's a resort over there as well too. Right next to the airport, so hey. Right next to the airport. But guys, it was a lovely experience here in Tobago. It's such a short trip, but trust me, we make the most of it, you know. We really do have to make the most of it. Sometimes you have to take the small things and turn it into big things. So the small trip, I turn it into a really big trip, you know, have the best out of it. So look how much thing I could get done in a short space of time. So imagine if I got another 2 weeks here, I would have complete Trinidad and complete Tobago. That is for sure. For sure. You know, that is 100% for sure. So nice. Remember guys, please to put the thumbs up while you're watching. You know, don't forget to support the program by putting your thumbs up. Help the program to go. Make YouTube recognize that they like Kenya life in Jamaica. There must be a good reason. So what YouTube will do is keep promote the content, you know, to the new audience, to get new subscribers because they're liking something good. So I still haven't got my Trinidad wristband yet, so I will definitely get it soon before I leave. So let's see when I get to Trinidad if I could get it over there. Get that juice. See if we can get something to drink in the shop. I need a drink or something. We get a drink in the shop. Glory. There's so many sodas. Ah, sugars. Too much sugars. Sugar. No, it's not my style. Not my style. I will drink water. It's too much sodas, you know? Too many sodas here. So I will keep you posted, you know, stay tuned. Well. Come on here, mommy. So yes, we have got our subscriber here, you know, here in Tobago. And I finally met my subscribers again. Say hello.
Hi.
Hey. Thank you so much. My subscribers again, you know, that's pretty. Nice to meet you. High five. High five. Take care. Thank you so much for watching, yeah?
I'm from Jamaica too.
From Jamaica?
Yeah.
Oh, see?
My husband's from Trinidad, so this is our first time here.
First time here? Just like me myself.
Yeah.
Big up. You liking it?
Yeah, it's good. Now we're trying to get a flight to Trinidad, so.
Okay, yeah.
Hopefully.
Same. So what you think about Jamaica and here?
There's a lot of similarities, but it's just so small.
I know.
Tobago is just the water.
Yeah,
just everywhere. I'm just like, oh my god.
It's more like, it looks like the North Coast side, right?
Yeah.
The resort and everything. That's what I was thinking as well when I came here. But Trinidad is on a different world itself, you know? What's your name?
Abigail.
Abigail, you have a nice name. How old are you?
9. I'm turning 10 in March.
Oh, you're March. Hey, woman, thank you so much. Yeah.
Nice seeing you. Nice meeting you.
Take care. Alright, then, bye. Okay, guys, it's always nice to meet our subscribers. You know, thank you so much. So, guys, it is what it is today. You know, today I'll get back over to Trinidad. As I said, my experience, it wasn't a long trip. You know, so I try to do as much I can do within this short period of time. You know, but I would definitely be back in Trinidad and Tobago, you know, and my next visit where I spend more time where I can explore, you know, both Trinidad and Tobago, because time period was too short to explore so much, you know, too short. So I guess in the future I would definitely be back. But Trinidad and Tobago, I love it, man. I love it. So I'm gonna head back to Trinidad today, you know, and then you know I'm gonna be on my way after that, you know. So let's see what can get done in Trinidad. In the same time, let's see what can get done in Trinidad when I get back there. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, smash that like button. Guys, so we are back here in Trinidad and Tobago. I was gonna say Tobago. I'm back in Trinidad. Yeah, so I'm having myself my pita salad wrap, you know, with shrimp. You know, so Squid never used to eat it, so him start to love it now. You know, convince him to try the salad wrap. You know, hey, and it's working with shrimp. It's not, I know most of you don't eat shrimp, but hey, you know, guys. So we're back here. Get the car, and then we're gonna get back into Diego Martin and Diego. You know, getting prepared for my flight. Say goodbye to the guys and everything. I know it goes already. Who knows where next? Hey, who knows? Let me know in the comment section where you think I'm going next. Let me know. Do you willing to host me? Let me know. I'm coming at your doorstep. Right in a theater near you. That is so true. So let's love to thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Jamaica. Sorry, Kino Life in Trinidad. You know? So thank you so much for watching Kino Life in Trinidad. I hope you've been enjoying this vlog here in Trinidad. And sorry for the short visit to Tobago, but at least I tried. So next time, more effort, more time, you know, we can check out more places. You know, so stay tuned. Let's love the dream big one day. Squid, that is it. Guys, stop at this plaza because Squid is over by the ATM. I will stop at this plaza called Grand Bazaar. Trust me, it's a newly built, them said, you know. Newly built, it's got lots and lots of stuff inside of here. You even have McDonald's as well too. You have shoe locker, not foot locker, you know. You got everything in here. Everything. You got over there, you got the shopping center. Over there you got clothes store, you buy clothes. You got food. You know, you got kids store as well too. You have a kids store there at the corner. You have the gem shop. You have everything. Grand Bazaar. You have everything. Look at that tower, like a castle tower. You know, wow, the sun is bleaking hot. You know, you have everything in here. Trust me. See, if you wanna come get some smart dressing, smart suit, In here is nice, very nice. Oh, it's very nice. Look at that castle. Oh Lord. Oh Lord, it's called Grand Bazaar. Jewelry store, clothes store, everything. That jewel over there. You have the pharmacy, you have gem. You have a lot of different stores in here as well too. You have the kids store here. You have kids store here. You got a vlogger here. Hello. You're a YouTuber?
Sorry?
You're a YouTuber?
No, I am a social media personnel. I do advertising and stuff.
Okay, I am a YouTuber
Hi, nice to meet you.
from Jamaica.
Oh, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
My name is Nisi.
Nisi. And you are?
Roots.
Roots. My name is Kino Life in Jamaica.
Okay, hi
You
Kion.
can check me out on YouTube. Goes by
Kion Life?
Kino.
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 Okay, nice to meet you, Kino.
Yeah.
I'll definitely look for you on YouTube.
Of course. Give yourself a shout out.
Hi guys, this is Nisi. For those of you all who don't know me, first of all, I love Jamaica. I'm hoping to come to a for carnival.
She will be coming.
She will.
She's gonna be coming with me, yes.
Definitely.
Hoping to come
yes.
to Jamaica for carnival. I'll see you all there. For those of you all who don't know me, I'm Nisi Boss on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoy Kino's content in Trinidad.
Of course, yes, it's Kino Life in Trinidad, not Jamaica. You know, and I'm just passing by and see them shooting some photos, right?
No.
It'll do an advert. It'll do an advert for someone now.
For name higher. It's a transportation service.
Okay, so if anyone want to do advert, then can contact you, right?
Of
Yes,
course, that's what
she
I
is
do.
the person.
That's why you must give yourself.
She just likes the hype, but you can definitely
Check her out on Instagram.
Yeah.
TikTok and Instagram.
Okay, so give them the spelling of the name.
My name is Nisi, NIECY_boss, BWOSS. So you guys can reach out to me then.
Yes, and you get the advert for everything.
Everything.
Give them a spin on Nisi. Yes, show them what you got, Nisi. That is it, you know. So how is it going so far?
Yeah, today.
Today's
one of
a
those
day.
days. Yeah, just getting a little problem, so we good now.
Let me see then so they can see what's going on. Go on, give a take. Give your take. Give your take. It cannot be shy. Just give your take. This guy, so you can go and you can check her out. You know, if you need advert, anything, any promotion at all you need, dance promotion, IG promotion, any promotion you want, she can do that for you. She got everything that's needed.
Everything.
She got it bad.
He was a little more overslow, right?
Thank you.
See, come back at right. It was more
See the big in the background? I know, and I'll see you.
Nisi.
Hi, good evening. How are you? Nice squid?
Yeah.
Nice squid?
Look on the car, Nisi.
Hi! I didn't notice it there.
I love it. It's there with wipe the yak, I will steal you.
I said it.
Yes, sir,
I know them again. I love. Cut down, cut down. I look up. You even have my number still? Okay.
Of course.
What is your number?
What?
He introduced. Yeah, he vlogging.
We vlogging. Alright, go on, Nisi.
Alright, go ahead.
Are you looking for a dependable transportation service? If yes, then hire is for you. If you're looking for a transportation service that wouldn't charge you extra when you sit down in traffic and a dependable service that you could just call day or night, near or far, hire is definitely for you.
Hey, Nisi. That is it, Nisi.
Love it. We
Love
did
it.
one more thing just in case.
Alright then, so Nisi, I'm going to run because Squid is waiting
Yes,
for me.
nice
So.
to meet you.
Hey, give them
Bye
a-
guys.
Bye.
Hope you enjoy this content. Yeah, he take it.
I take it.
So nice.
All right then, nice
Okay,
to meet
nice
you.
to
Yeah?
meet you, Kino.
Take care.
Take care.
All right then.
Bye.
That's alright.
Remember, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Definitely.
Kino.
K-I-N-O.
Yeah. Yes guys, so we're heading back out the mall, you know, because Kid already done his business, so we're going to head back out because we're going to sort his vehicle out. I'm saying this place is very nice, you know, very nice shopping. So you can see that it's recently built, you know, very new, very new. Wow. See, if you're a big fan of McDonald's, there's a McDonald's inside here as well too. Papa is you name it. Shopping vision for your eyes. This is shoe locker. It's not foot locker, it's shoe locker. They don't have the shoes, they got no, they don't have the foot, they have the shoes, right?
Yeah.
So it's not foot locker, it's shoe locker.
Yeah, the shoes for the foot.
They have the shoes for the foot. Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.